there are some things that are very important to note before drawing your slab strips. And one of them is that your slab strips must be drawn in the direction of your rib. And also, there are different ways to draw slab strips on your rib slab. The more accurate way is to draw each slab strip on each rib. Uh, that will give you a more accurate result, analyzing each rib individually. Whereas you could also choose to draw a single slab strip on the area you find to be most critical, which we consider the rib around that region, and then use the rib around that region as a standard to calculate other ribs. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial today is I'm going to just be drawing a single strip, and this single strip will act as the strip along the critical rib, and it will be a standard to which other ribs will be designed. So let's get right to it. Let's go back to our modeling, then let's click on slab strip. And once this comes up, other things to notice that you need to change this to FE strip, and then the direction is also very quintessential. You have this to be drawn in a x direction, so we're going to be drawing a strip in x direction. And the reason why the direction is actually very important is that if you draw in a very wrong direction, if you draw in the wrong direction, you're going to be having problems with your axial load comparison report, and it's going to let you know that something is wrong with your slab strips. So if it's also drawn like this, then you have to take the direction of y strip. So we're going to be taking the direction of x strip right now. Also, we will consider the end conditions, and as we have learned before, this is slab to slab, this is beam to beam, this is cantilever to cantilever, and you can also have them traversing like beam to slab or beam to cantilever and all that. But in this case, we have beam to beam, and we're going to be leaving it as default as it is. And then we have to go to FE as well to go and click on rib slab to select rib slab right here, because if you don't do that, it's not going to give you the accurate result, because we are dealing with rib slab. We have to click this. So we go back here, and then we can update. You may not choose to update. So now we want to draw a rib across the midsection, and don't forget to press your control to have a very straight line going through, and then we can insert a strip right there. And once we have our strip drawn and all our parameters here properly set, we can close this.